My dear students, good morning. Today session lo Unit 11, Unit 11, Unit 11, Hollow alkanes, hollow alkanes and hollow arenes, and hollow arenes. Today's session, Unit Chapter 11, Hollow alkanes and hollow arenes. Hollow arenes. ఈ chapter లో one of the most important SN1 type of reaction. SN1 type of reaction. SN1 type of reaction. What is SN1 type of reaction? The nucleophilic substitution reaction in which the rate of reaction depends upon the concentration of only one reactant. This reaction is known as SN1 type of reaction. Thus, the nucleophilic substitution reaction in which the rate of reaction depends upon the concentration of only one reactant. The nucleophilic substitution reactions in which the rate of reaction depends upon the concentration of only one reactant. Rate of reaction represented by small r proportional to concentration of only one reactant. Concentration of only one reactant. Concentration of only one reactant. Rate of reaction is equal to proportional is constant. Reactants means tertiary alkyl halide. Tertiary alkyl halides are participating in SN1 type of reaction. Tertiary alkyl halides are participating in SN1 type of reaction. SN1 substitution nucleophilic unimolecular reaction. Substitution nucleophilic unimolecular reaction. Substitution nucleophilic unimolecular reaction. What is SN1 type of reaction ante? The nucleophilic substitution reactions in which the rate of reaction depends upon the concentration of only one reactant. Rate of reaction proportional to concentration of reactants. Reactants means tertiary alkyl halide. Rate of reaction proportional to K is constant. Tertiary alkyl halide. Okay, students. Next, reaction in chapter. రియాక్షన్ టెర్షియరీ ఆల్కైల్ హాలైడ్స్ తీసుకుంటారు ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇచ్చేది టెర్షియరీ ఆల్కైల్ హాలైడ్ tertiary alkyl halide tertiary alkyl halide nucleophile is attack in front side attack gives rise to substituted product gives rise to substituted product CH3 OH plus Br minus. Dear students, ఈ రియాక్షన్ కి ఈ ప్రొడక్ట్ ఏ విధంగా ఫామ్ అయిందన్న విషయం మెకానిజం ద్వారా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేద్దాం. మెకానిజం SN1 type of reaction is a two-step process. It is a two-step process. First step is a slow step process. Second step is a fast step process. First step is a slow step. Second step is a fast step process. Okay? SN1 type of reaction lo step 1 mechanism step 1. First step వచ్చి ఏం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తుందంటే ఫార్మేషన్ ఆఫ్ కార్బోకేటయాన్ formation of carbocation form చేస్తున్నారు formation of carbocation ionization of tertiary alkyl halides ని ionization process చేస్తే carbocation is form అవుతుందంట formation of carbocation. Okay, tertiary alkyl halide example తీసుకుంటాం CH3 tertiary alkyl halide tertiary alkyl halide tertiary alkyl halides. This is a slow step process. Ionization process జరిగితే this split into halide or tertiary. ఈ గ్రూప్ గాని ఈ గ్రూప్ గాని స్ప్లిట్ అవుతుందంట. అప్పుడు ఏం ఫామ్ అవుతుంది? కార్బోకేటయాన్ ఇస్ ఫామ్ CH3 కార్బోకేటయాన్ ప్లస్ Br minus మనం ఈ కాంపౌండ్ ప్రిపేర్ చేయాలి. ఇది సబ్స్టిట్యూటెడ్ ప్రొడక్ట్ ఏ విధంగా ఫామ్ అవుతుందో అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాలి. ఫార్మేషన్ ఆఫ్ కార్బోకేటయాన్ అన్నాడు. టెర్షియరీ ఆల్కైల్ హాలైడ్స్ అయోనైజేషన్ చేస్తే కార్బోకేటయాన్ ఇస్ ఫార్మ్. కార్బోకేటయాన్ అనేది ఫామ్ అయింది. కార్బోకేటయాన్ ఇస్ ఫార్మ్. Formation of carbocation. The next reaction, step 1. Step 2 reaction. Dear students, note చేసుకోండి. Notice this reaction. Step 2. Attack in nucleophile. Attack in nucleophile. Attack in nucleophile in carbocation. కార్బోకేటయాన్ మీద న్యూక్లియోఫైల్ బ్యాక్ సైడ్ అటాక్ జరుగుతుందంట. బ్యాక్ సైడ్ అటాక్ జరిగితే సబ్స్టిట్యూటెడ్ ప్రొడక్ట్ ఈస్ ఫార్మ్. కార్బో CH3, CH3, CH3. This is carbocation. Nucleophile is direct front side attack. Direct front side attack. Substituted product is formed. This is a fast step process. This is a fast reaction. CH3, 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 OH. This total reaction is called SN1 type of reaction. This total reaction is called SN1 type of reaction. The first statement, what is SN1 type of reaction? The nucleophilic substitution reactions in which the rate of reaction depends upon the concentration of only one reactant. Only one reactant. Tertiary alkyl halides are participating in SN1 type of reactions. SN1 type of reaction is a two-step process. One is there, it is a slow step process. Second one is there, fast step process. It is observed mechanism. Step 1, formation of carbocation. Tertiary alkyl halides ionization process to give carbocation. Attack in nucleophile in carbocation. Front side attack in nucleophile. It is a fast reaction. This is substituted product is formed. SN1 type of reaction is completed. Next. Next, SN2 type of reaction. SN2 type of reaction. SN2 type of reaction. Substitution, nucleophilic bimolecular reaction. Substitution, nucleophilic substitution nucleophilic bimolecular reaction. Bimolecular reaction. SN2 means substitution nucleophilic bimolecular reaction. What is SN2 type of reaction? The nucleophilic substitution reactions in which the rate of reaction depends upon the concentration of only two reactants. This is known as SN2 type of reaction. SN2 type of reaction. Identify cheyandi. Definition identify cheyadari. The nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction nucleophilic substitution reactions in which the rate of reaction depends upon the rate of reaction depends upon the concentration of only one reactant, only two reactants, sorry, only two reactants. Concentration of two reactants. Okay, rate of reaction represented by small r, proportional to concentration of only two reactants. Concentration of only two reactants. Two reactants. Two reactants means something ఏంటంటే rate of reaction is equal to proportional is constant. One reactant is a primary alkyl halide, primary alkyl halide. Second one, nucleophile. The rate of reaction depends upon the concentration of it is only two reactants, primary alkyl halides and nucleophiles. This is known as SN2 type of reaction. So, primary alkyl halides participating in SN2 type of reaction, substitution nucleophilic bimolecular reactions. Primary alkyl halides ఎందులో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేస్తాయి? SN2 type of reaction లో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేస్తాయి. SN2 type of reaction is a single step process. ఒక స్టెప్ ప్రాసెస్ లోనే SN2 type of reaction అనేది జరుగుతుందంట. చూద్దాం. Next, primary alkyl halides. Primary alkyl halides. H. Primary alkyl halides. This nucleophile gives rise to H OH plus PR. Primary alkyl halides nucleophile backside attack జరిగి కార్బన్ ఆటమ్స్ కి బ్రోమిన్ ఆటమ్స్ మధ్య దిశలోకి అదే సెపరేట్ అవుతుంది. కార్బన్ ఆటమ్ ఆ బ్రోమిన్ ఆటమ్ తో వీక్ బాండ్ ఉండడం వల్ల బ్రోమిన్ ఆటమ్ ఇస్ రిమూవ్. చూద్దాం. This is mechanism. It is a single step process mechanism. It is a single step process. Primary alkyl halides nucleophile is halogen పరమాణువుకు nucleophile అనేది బ్యాక్ సైడ్ అటాక్ జరిగి కార్బన్ పరమాణువుతో బంధించబడి అవుతుందంట nucleophile. This is nucleophile is attacked to back side. Nucleophile is bonded with carbon atom. Nucleophile is bonded with carbon atom. This is slow step process. Transition state is formed. చూడండి, అంబ్రెలా పెను తుఫానులో అంబ్రెలా ఏ విధంగా తిరగబడుతుందో ఆ విధంగా మాలిక్యూల్స్ అన్ని కూడా ఆ విధంగా తిరగబడతాయి. ట్రాన్సిషన్ స్టేట్ ఈస్ ఫార్మ్. H. This is weak bond. H. This is weak bond. This is weak bond. Transition state. Transition state. Next, This is fast step reaction. Fast step reaction. Carbon atoms or bromine atoms weak bond ఉండడం వల్ల బలహీనపడి bromine is living group. Bromine atom is living group. Bromine atom is living group. OH. This is carbon. Umbrella type molecules are formed. H plus, Br minus. This is total reaction is SN2 type of reaction. This is total reaction is SN2 type of reaction. Transition state forming. Transition state split into two molecules. One is their substituted product, other one is their halogen molecules. Okay, thank you students, thank you very much.